What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the taco and some other stuff. I am ecstatic. I'm excited. It's finally time to get the damn hybrid bumper welded and installed in this Tacoma. Man, it's been almost a year since my wife got it for me. This is the cheapest hybrid bumper that there is out there in the market. A complete bumper, not just the front part of the bumper that usually you replace with the plastic with another metal part. But this is a complete hybrid tubular bumper that we got from Srq Fabrications. Anyway, guys, we're gonna head over to Patterson's Performance, which we are sponsored by Patterson's Performance. Just to let you guys know, we were sponsored for the Subi. They sponsored our truck, so we're pretty much sponsored all the way around with them. We were about to get a sponsorship with Yellow Speed as well, but unfortunately we sold the Subis and the RX-7, so we don't have anything to put coilovers on just yet. But nonetheless, we're gonna go to Patterson's Performance. They do have a certified welder there that's gonna help us weld this bumper. He might powder coat the bumper. If not, I'll do myself. Damn, it's just a bumper that's gonna get messed up out in the woods. We're heading to Patterson's Performance pretty early. We're gonna mock up everything and start welding. So I'll see you there. We're here. It's gonna take a while, I'm pretty sure. But we're probably gonna take off the front bumper first, and then probably only cut the flares. Just because I'm gonna get the bumper caps. What the heck? Again, the cut's probably going to be this cross, so it's going to have to be somewhere around here.
One eternity later.
Today is the next day. The bumper has been welded and installed and shit. And it looks freaking good. It looks pretty damn good. I'm so excited. Thank you again, Patterson's Performance, and Donald and Leah for helping us out. And the welder, the one that welded the bumper, thank you so much, Connor, for helping us out. I'm pretty sure he's going to be expecting a video of his work, and I will deliver that video. So I'm pretty damn excited, guys. So yeah, just stick through and we'll get this paint. Let's go. Yeet. Couple hours later, and it's finally painted. Man, does it look good. So as you can see, the flares are still on. I need to cut them, but I want to wait until we get the end cap so it doesn't look ridiculous. Look at that. Sorry, I'm shaking, man. It was a heavy 90 pounds of a front bumper there, so I'm pretty excited, guys. So yeah, let's wait for those end caps to arrive. And this is gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and just continue watching the videos, man. A lot of things are coming for the Tacoma. Next thing are the end caps, so wait for that video. And here is the cinematic shoot. Until next time, peace out. Yeet.
You